everyone, this is United with Nexus Investments LLC. Today I'm going to take you through a quick tour through the Nexus trading room. Here, this platform is Discord. You have to download the program either on your phone or on your desktop. You can also access Discord through a web browser as well. I use it on Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer. It works on all of them as well. As you see is the layout of the LAN here. When you first join in, you're going to come up to just a few channels. You have the welcome start here category. And you're going to start here at this channel where you're going to go over the rules that you have to agree upon, terms of service and disclaimer. You can also check out some of the benefits of being a team member of the Nexus Investments. And also here, you could pick your roles to let everybody know if you're a beginner trader, advanced trader, skilled trader, if you're into scalping, day trading, swing trading, spread trading. Next channel, you go over your testimonies, so you can hear from the members about whether or not we're pretty good or we suck. The next channel you're going to come across is the memberships, and it's going to tell you how to purchase a membership, how to manage or cancel your membership. There's our membership plans. Also, we have an infographic of what's inside of our memberships. Next channel you have is our websites that you can get a hold of us on. You can watch all of our content. We have educational content on YouTube, and we have Instagram where a lot of people join from, and we have a Twitter account that we post. We have some motivational videos here to get you going. Here we have our post your profits, proof of profits. Here everybody can post their profits on a daily basis. You can see how we're doing, everything like that. We have announcements that happen, currently. We're weekly, have some announcements. Got some merchandise in the store. Got a shout out from celebrities, stuff like that. And then you have any questions, you can go ahead and post in the free chat. We tend to get free trades from time to time. And periodically we open up voice chat trading to some of the free members so they can check out how we trade in a voice chat. So try to unlock that from time to time, see how we work things, because we make trades in voice chat. And also we do trades in the chat group as well. As you purchase a membership, one of the levels is gold. So once you have gold, it unlocks several other categories. You have options trading, as we're predominantly an options trading room. You have your research and analysis category, you have other chat rooms, and you have your educational content. As you drop down the menu, you have your main chat, you have your day trade signals, which are signals that tend to last anywhere from minutes to the whole day. You have your swing trade signals, and we take these to swing over the day, a couple of days, or overnight. We also have spread signals for those who like to take spreads. We have a 2 to 10K challenge currently going on. When this is complete, we're gonna go 10K to 25K challenge. We also have a member signals. It gives the opportunity for members to post their signals, prove their worth, and prove that they can become a analyst within a Discord. And become an analyst has a lot of perks to it. So if you're up to the challenge, let us know, and you can get in here and post your signals and become an analyst. We have a voice chat trading channel. Here in research and analysis, we have a watch list that we post, anything significant over the night. Here you get a lot of action here in the chart analysis, where we post our charts on what we think is going to happen in the market the next day. We have a research bots. Here we have a few bots where you can run commands and get a lot of little charts and stuff like that. We have our flow checks, where you can go back and check like different past data on the different options flow, contracts that painted during the daytime. We have a bot that posts breaking news, anything significant, I'll post here. And then we have our separate news research channel, where we can just post anything that we find from Twitter or from other social media sites. We have other chat rooms. We have our beginner questions. We keep an archive of beginner questions that you could do. You could search here in the browser, anything on beginner level type questions and answers are posted here. We have a chat on just spreads. If you want to learn about spreads, you can learn that as a gold member. You can learn about SPACs, earnings information. You can talk about whatever you want off topic. We have sports betting chat here for anybody who likes sports betting. And then we have the Get to Know Us channel if you want to talk about who you are, where you came from, how you started. Here we have a lot of educational resources that are free under the gold membership. We have videos that we post here, that we create on our YouTube. You can check that out. Other videos that people recommend. We also have a channel for scripts, any kind of cool scripts we find or people want to share. It's posted here. We have trading strategies that we find that's helpful for everybody to try to learn to perfect their craft whenever they're trying to find their way. And then we have a learning center here where we post periodically and repost information that's helpful to help you learn and be a better trader. Really beneficial channel we have here is the trading mistakes. This is really good for us. As you find any kind of mistakes here, you can post it, that way you can learn from other people's mistakes. We have your tax information channel that we just started. Hopefully get that going. And then we have a list of over 500 books, downloadable books and links and stuff like that you can get your hands on if you like reading. So as you move on to a higher level, you have your platinum membership level. And here it adds additional 4 channels. Here you have your predictive signals, which Nexus Master uses artificial intelligence software to post his predictive signals for the next day. We have a bot here. It's a trend alert bot where it'll show which way the most common traded stocks are trending and whether or not you should buy calls or buy puts when it's alerted. You have your stock signals also posted by Nexus Master, who posts stock signals that you can get into and hold for anywhere for a couple of days up to months. We also have a futures channel at the platinum level. Also incorporated what is a bot program that alerts you on the trends of the S&P 500, alerts you on NASDAQ as well, and Russell. Also here, going on to the diamond level. Opens up another couple channels. You have the High Rollers chat, which is an exclusive chat just for the diamond members. Here you could talk about, we go through different trades and stuff, setups like that. A little bit decluttered here as opposed to the main chat, but it gets the job done. And you have your Nexus and AI signals here, where he's artificial intelligence posts high probability setups that can last anywhere from a week to 2 months and stuff like that. So it's pretty good. We have a well-rounded Discord here, and you can check out many different channels. Yes, it seems like a lot of channels, but these channels are here for every different type of trader. And in the event that you don't want to check out any channel, then you can just go ahead and mute it. But plenty of alerts. We have a lot of analysts. We have over 10 analysts that have been vetted and verified. They prove themselves to be, deemed as alerting their own plays, and which you can follow if you like. So if that's something you're into. We have plenty of people you can follow, and we'll be coming out with more bot programs and resources and tools that benefit you in the long run. So thank you for checking out our Nexus Trading Room, and hope you join the team. Thank you.